Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and owner of a growing system called Torpedopots. There's approximately 30 planters that are growing in each planter 70 pea seeds, and each planter will generate between 300 to 250 pods. Almost all of you probably have never seen a food grown successfully before in your life. A torpedo pot. But we grow your food for you, so you'll never have to worry about it again in your life. And there's so much of it. Enough to go around for everyone. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. The whole goal behind the Torpedopot, creating the Torpedopot, was to allow you and your family to experience the wealth there is and the beauty that there is in growing food.